I'm a little lit right now. Don't tell me that I gotta calm down. I'm about to say what I want right now. It's a drunk text, are you up right now? Don't tell me you sleeping, we've been doing
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stiletto, and I'm back at it again with another tutorial, review. So today I'm actually gonna be reviewing a synthetic hair company called Readywig Hair, and I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with them. They actually reached out to me and said, hey, they want to collab, and they sent me some hair for me to review. So we're actually gonna be seeing how this is, which y'all, I'm gonna give y'all the truth regardless. So
period.
So yes, if you do like how this wig come out, I have a 10% off code. It's gonna be Stallicorn, STALLICORN, and you can get 10% off of your future purchases from Readywig, the company. So that's really good. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you just want to know how this wig came out and how it looks on my head, just keep watching. So this is the box that I have. This is the box that they sent it to me in. So far, so good. I do like the packaging. It's nice and pretty. It says Readywig on the front, and this is what their logo looks like. So we're gonna open up the box and see what's inside. They put like a little hair care instructions inside, and then they put their logo and everything and how to reach them, and their QR codes inside, and it got like a little message inside saying, if you feel good and smooth, don't hesitate to share, be generous, let people know how beautiful you are, help other sisters to make wise choices. And they also say some other stuff down here, so that's really cute. I like that. They also give us a little spray bottle. I guess this is to put like your own tint in it. That's cool, because I do need another spray bottle. They sent me a wig cap. This is not really my hairline color, but you know, you can always put like your own foundation and stuff in it, so that's cool. And then, you know, 2 comes in it, so that's fine. And I just want to show you how cute this box is. So inside the box it says, I love that we met, and I hope you enjoy the hair, readywig.com. That is so cute. Aww. So also inside the box, they sent the wig. Time to see what she looked like. Straight out of the box. She's nice and straight and smooth and silky. A little fuzzy. She is a middle part. Alright, so straight out of the box, as you can see, the wig came pre-plucked and it has some pre-made baby hairs. Inside of the wig, it has 4 clips in there, 2 at the sides, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back. And it is also a full U-part lace wig. It is also a middle part too, as you can see. And then in the back, it has some adjustable straps so that you can adjust the wig to your head size. So I'm gonna just put her on my head and see how she looks, if she needs any customization or anything like that. You know what? I should have tightened it. I'm a dummy. So I can already tell, like, this wig is big head friendly. Like, I know you can see that. Bruh, I know you can tell already. Like, it's big head friendly. Yes, I do think she needs a little bit of customization. The lace it's light. I don't want to say it's transparent as yet. She does have some baby hairs, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just pluck her for a little bit and then, you know, customize her and then put her on my head. So to be honest, I didn't even customize the wig. Like, I put it on my mannequin head and I just saw that it needed no customization at all. Only thing that it needed was for the baby hairs to be fixed. So that's what I'm doing right now. Other than that, it did not need any plucking whatsoever.
I didn't mean that. I'm a little lit right now. Don't tell me that I gotta calm down. I'm about to say what I want right now. It's a drunk text, are you up right now? Don't tell me you sleeping, we've been doing all the wrong things. blood, I feel like preaching. It's a strong text, girl, did you read this? Did you read this? 1, 2, 3. I'm a little lit right now. Don't tell me that I gotta calm down. I'm about to say what I want right now. It's a drunk text, are you up right now? Don't tell me you sleeping. We've been doing all the wrong things for wrong reasons. Any in my blood, I feel like preaching. It's a drunk text, girl, did you read this? Did you read this? Wanna let you know how I'm feeling. I've been super slow all evening, telling all my bros how you made me feel. You've been acting like you don't know the deal.
Don't show it here, but after I put on the heat protectant, I actually flat ironed the hair.
If you was here, I'd say this with my chest. Don't need no one else, cause we doing our best alone. I don't even chase patrol. Singing on your phone like I'm Post Malone. Try to leave all of your posts alone. Friend screenshot from my post ago. And I'm faded home, but how did I make it? Might regret what I say next. You gon' have to be patient. I'm a little lit right now. Don't tell me that I gotta calm down. I'm about to say what I want right now. It's a drunk text, are you up right now? Don't tell me you sleeping. We've been doing all the wrong things for wrong reasons. Any in my blood, I feel like preaching. It's a drunk text, girl, did you read this? Did you read this? We be litty and trippy, I'm rolling through the city when my brother's with me. But if you text, I reply like I'm not busy, cause you be all on my mind like some lights really. Yeah, I clown on the real, but I'm not silly. Double cup when I'm coming over, I'm not bluffing. If you don't answer me now, then I'm gon' start something. You be all on my mind even when shit jumping. Flex jumping at the gym, but I'm still cutting.
So I'm just showing you guys that this lace is not really transparent. It was light for my skin tone. So I'm just going to be taking my NYX foundation and my Real Techniques expert brush. And I'm just going to be putting that foundation on the lace so that it could blend into my skin tone.
Gotta calm down. I'm about to say what I want right now. It's a drunk text, are you up right now? Don't tell me you sleeping. We've been doing all the wrong things for wrong reasons. Any in my blood, I feel like preaching. It's a drunk text, girl, did you read this? Did you read this?
Alright guys, so this is how the hair came out. This is the final look. So I'm gonna just get straight into it. Well, this wig, let me tell y'all straight. This wig came pre-plucked. Like, I tried plucking it and I did not even know where to start. So I was just like, nah, I ain't even know like do anything to it. So like, it was good. Now the only thing that I hate about it really is that the lace did not, like, it was too light. Like, the lace was really light for somebody of my skin complexion. Like, it was like white and I'm dark skinned, so it was like, it was noticeable. It was way too light, so I had to get some foundation and kind of color that in. I tried to like paint it from before putting it on, but that didn't work, so I had to do it after. But other than that, it was still good. Like I said, it came pre-plucked and everything, so that was still good. Big head friendly. Is it big head friendly? This wig is super big head friendly. Like, if your head is huge, this is the wig for you, okay? Shedding. So when I was combing it, I did notice like a little bit of shedding, like hairs coming out here and there from the wig, but it wasn't like too bad. Like, it's not like I'm combing it right now with my hands and it's not like doing anything. Like, I don't have no flyaways in my hands or anything, so that's a good thing. This straight wig is pretty good. I do want to say, like, it is pretty good. I like it. If you guys ever want to order this wig from readywig.com, just use my code for 10%. It's Stylicorn, like my Instagram and my YouTube, STALLICORN, and get 10% off of your order, okay? But yeah, this wig got me feeling like Nicki Minaj vibes. Like,
now it's Barbie, bitch.
I'm feeling this. Like, this is a calm, like, little summer thing, like a little... Nah, this is actually like a calm little winter thing. Like, it's like a pastel pink, you know? So, I like this. I really do. So, yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments down below about how you feel about this wig. Leave some comments down below if you're going to be using my 10% off discount code. Anybody can use it. It's not limited to anyone, so everyone can use it. You will get 10% off of your next purchase. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for more notifications of when I'm going to be uploading more videos. And also, if you are an R&B artist, a reggae artist, or any kind of artist like that, and you want your songs featured in my videos, you can hit me up on Facebook. You can hit me up on Instagram. However way you feel. Email if you want. And yeah, just hit me up. I'm not stush. You can just hit me up and let me know, like, hey, I want your song. I want my song to be in your video. And best believe, send me a whole link and I'll pick out whichever one I like. You feel me? So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm a little lit right now. Don't tell me